these two are done. As you can see, it always helps to have a really good little holder, because for some reason when you go to solder anything with a gun like this, everything turns to, or tries to turn and twist. So I've got these where I want them, and I'm going to use these plastic covers because they'll fit really good. Then another thing, when you go to put on your fuse, when you go and open everything up, and if you've got an old one, check real close and see if that fuse is in good shape. I might want to solder that a little bit better. And I want to take some sandpaper and get that brass clean. Same with right here. It doesn't hurt to do that. I got these little holders. These are little tiny U-clamps or something like that, and they fit inside these magnetic tiny holders. I got these at 99 cents. You know, when you go to an auto parts store and they have like a bargain bin with a lot of really cheap crap in it. Well, I saw these and I thought, hell yeah, I can use that for something. So I bought a couple of them for $1, and I'm going to go back and see if they got some more. But they make great holders for having when you're doing work like this. So I must say Euclidean was right about this. Use the bigger gauge wire, do the job right, so you don't have to do it again, and take the time. And you know, he was right, so I got to give credit where credit's due. Now I'm not sure where I'm going to put this at, this fuse holder, but when I do the fuse holder, I will use the rubber shrink wrap around both ends. If you're going to do that, of course, on this red wire here, I need to put the shrink wrap on before I do the soldering, because it won't go over any of these pieces after I get them in. I just got to figure out where I'm going to put the fuse holder so I can get at it pretty easy where it's out of the way. I may stick it right somewhere right here, maybe. And little by little, everything's coming together. The hoses are all underneath and done up good enough, both sides, here and here. Then I'm going to use my little tiny bungee cords, which are really helpful. The bungee cords will hold it'll hold things out of your way. It'll hold things up. It's really nice for having something that can rattle around and you can put it somewhere that'll work. Excuse me. So today this is my only day off, and I slept most of the day, and so I'm going to do some work tonight. Hope you liked the video series so far.